welcome back to another episode of Mascara Monday. Today we are going to try out the L'Oreal Bambi Eye Mascara. So I just recently saw this, where did I see it first? I saw it on the Ulta website maybe like 2 weeks ago, and it said it was new. So I'm like, oh, I want to try this. So I did a little bit of research, and I guess this mascara came out like overseas first, like in the UK area first. And now it's in the US. So I think this has been out, I don't know, I watched reviews on YouTube and people like overseas were reviewing it back in August and September. I think it came out in the US maybe like a month ago, 2 months ago maybe. I don't know, I could be wrong. But it's definitely new to me and I wanted to try it out. So let's read the claims on this guy. It says, wide open eyes, instant eye opening, volumizing mascara. 90% agreed, does not clump. 90% affirmant. Wide-eyed brush. So it's supposed to make your eyes look like Bambi, you know, like big, like doe eyes, you know. There's the packaging. You're not gonna be able to see without the glare. It's just silver packaging. Let's check out the brush. So it's a plastic wand and the bristles are very, very, very tiny. Don't really have high hopes for this mascara because I don't know how these tiny ass bristles are gonna grip my lashes, but I guess we'll see. All right, here we go, here we go. Oh wait, should I use this mirror or that mirror? This one's closer, let's use this one. I'm gonna look down here and use it. All right, here we go. Oh, already got some on my eyelid, gotta love that. Okay, so I was wrong, it's gripping my lashes just fine. I kind of like this. I kind of do. I'm gonna do a couple more coats, but it's nothing like too spectacular where I'm like, oh my gosh, go get this right now. You know, it's a good mascara. It's nothing like amazing. I'm not like wowie zowie, you know. It's all right. If I do a couple more layers, I feel like, I mean, this eye's already starting to get a little bit clumpy, so I feel like it could be a disaster if I try to do a few more coats, but let's try it for the sake of this video. Let's try it. Yeah, we're definitely clumping up the lashes. They're kind of getting weighed down. I would say 2 coats max for my lashes. Definitely 2 coats max, because this guy's like, what are you doing to me? What are you doing? What are you doing to me? That's what he's just said that. Do you guys hear that? Just said that. I feel like I look really weird when I don't do my bottom lashes. I don't know, it just looks weird to me to have like super long top lashes and the bottom lashes are like short little stubby things. It's clumpy, but I don't know, I feel like it doesn't look too bad. You know, like it doesn't look too spidery, too clumpalicious. You know, what am I trying to say? So I like this mascara. It wouldn't be my first choice. It probably wouldn't be my second choice. If you have naturally long lashes, and this mascara will look amazing on you. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below and let me know if you have tried this mascara yourself, and let me know what you think about it. As always, if there is a mascara you want to see featured on Mascara Monday, just comment down below and let me know. I will link my Mascara Monday playlist down below. I've been doing this series for years and years and years and years and just a really long time. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.